So another story about Cindy when she was in her younger years is she used to steal a lot of food in the house. And in the nature, the mother baboons discipline the babies. So when she stole and she was naughty, my mother had to discipline her by pinching her or just letting her know this was bad, she shouldn't do it. So in nature, they would bite the baby. So my mother obviously didn't bite her, but she pinched her. So she stole food and stuff, and she would hide behind the curtains, sitting there quiet. You would just see the toes sticking out like that. So she was sitting there hoping my mother don't see her. And the moment my mother saw her, she was screaming, running around. But yeah, it was just so funny. Just the toes sticking out. And she thought my mother didn't see her. She tried to avoid being naughty and being disciplined. Yeah, so it was so fond memories we have of Cindy throughout her years with us. And now she's 29 years old and she's much more less naughty. She's well behaved now.